One of the jewels of Flagler County in the Palm Coast area is the Baiata Bird Sanctuary. Tucked away in the majestic oaks at the Nature Scapes Nursery, you can watch exotic tropical birds in a beautiful, tranquil environment. The sanctuary is home to a number of fascinating and rare birds. It's a great place to visit, and admission is completely free. The bird sanctuary is located at the Nature Scapes Nursery. To get to the bird sanctuary, just exit Interstate 95 at Route 100, which is Moody Boulevard. Drive west for about 2.5 miles towards Bunnell. Then turn left onto Briarwood Road and follow it about 1/5 of a mile to Old Brick Road. There you'll see the Nature Scapes Nursery and the Baiata Bird Sanctuary. The Baiata Bird Sanctuary is open Monday through Saturday, 3:30 to 4:30 p.m., weather permitting. During these times, you can watch and enjoy the birds up close. We invite you to join us and visit the Baiata Bird Sanctuary.